Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a Facebook page in 2025 using the Facebook mobile application. So whether it is for a business, community or your personal brand, stick around until the end of this video so that you don't miss any of the important setup steps. So first of all, you need to simply log in into your Facebook account. You need to log in into your Facebook account with that particular profile on which you want to create the page. Afterwards, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then from the menu options over here, tap on pages. In your pages, you will see the create option in the top. So you need to tap on create. Now it is going to be asking you whether you want to create a personal account or a professional account. So whichever type of account you want to create, you need to select that. I'm assuming that you want to create a personal account. So you need to simply tap on the personal and tap on the next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your profile name. Then you need to tap on the continue option in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to tap on the create profile option and your profile will be created, which will act as your page. Now let's say you have selected the professional option, then tap on the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to give your business name, then tap on the next option in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to select which category best describes you. So in this section, you need to basically select the theme of your page, whether it is a clothing brand, any public figure or any type of services. So here you can add up to 3 categories. So let's say my page is about a grocery store. So I'm going to be clicking on that. Then you need to tap on the create option here in the bottom and wait for some time until Facebook shows you that your account is successfully created. And now you can use this page to provide further details like the general information, contact details, location, etc. If you want to provide those, you can do so right away, or you can also do it later. Similarly, you can customize your page by providing the profile picture and the background picture. So after providing that, simply press next on the bottom. Next, you can invite all of your existing friends, or you can even use the search bar in order to search for your friends whom you want to show that you have created a page. Once you are done, simply tap on the done option in the bottom and it will switch your profile to your page's profile, and now you have successfully created your Facebook page. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.